What's up, guys? Today I'm going to be fishing a new spot. It's a creek that I've hiked past a ton of times, but I've never tried it out. Let's see if there's any fish in there. Alright guys, when you're fishing creeks like this, the main goal is always going to be to find deep pockets. You're going to want to cast upstream and kind of slowly reel in your bait with the current towards yourself. There we go. What do we have here? Oh, what do we have here, guys? What is this? Oh my god, no way. Oh, never mind. We got a little creek chub. That is not a bad fish though. That's interesting. Was not expecting that in here. This guy's not happy. I'm not a huge fan of these guys, but I'll toss him back. There he goes. All right. Confirmed fish in the creek. That's a good sign. I'm feeling confident now. This could be a good day. Whew. This is steep and muddy and slippery. Whew. Nice. Oh. Guys, I just ate crap falling down that hill. That was not fun. Sheesh. Whew. Not bad, whatever it is. Holy crap. I think it's another chub. Holy moly. What is this? Oh, no way, guys. What do we have here? What do we have here? A smallmouth bass. Let's go. Let's go. Guys, look at this freaking bass. This is a good bass for a creek. Holy crap. This is beautiful. Look at this smallmouth, guys. This is beautiful. Get the nice golden colors on this bad boy. Oh, he's so pretty. Sheesh. All right, let's release this stud. There he goes. Oh, what a catch, guys. I've never given this creek a chance before. That's awesome. Whew. Guys, I cannot stress this enough. Go to Walmart, buy us an ultralight rod and some inline spinners, and just start chucking them in water that you've never fished before and just see what you catch, because these things really catch everything. It's such a good way to scout out a new area. It's a creek chub and a smallmouth in a creek I've walked past probably 30 times. Never given it a try before. I'm excited. That was a nice smallmouth for this size body of water. It's funny, last year I drove like an hour out west to go hunt down some smallmouth bass, and I didn't catch a single one. God, what's hitting it over there? Now I drive 20 minutes away from my house and catch one. And this is right next to that pond that you guys have seen me fish before. There we go. It's gotta be another smallie. Oh, it's a nice one. How am I gonna get this up? How am I gonna get this up? Oh no, this could be bad. Come on. Oh. Sheesh. Nice. It's another nice smallmouth, guys, on the Kitech. I'm gonna have to toss him pretty far. All right, he'll be fine. All right, guys, this is what I caught him on. It's a Kitech. I think it's like the 4.5 inch or something. And that is why I switched to the bigger rod, because there's no way my ultralight would have been able to lift that guy all the way up this cliff. So let's get another one. Once again, I'm just beaming it upstream, reeling super slow, letting the current do most of the work, and that guy just demolished it right out of one of these deeper pockets. So I'm just hoping to find his friends. This thing looks so good in this water. It's like the perfect clarity for this white swim bait. Whew. Here's a spot. Sometimes big fish will hang out at the bottoms of rapids like this in these little eddies where the current slows down, looking for like bait fish that get trapped in the current, swimming out looking for cover. So that's what we're going for here. All right, guys, that's all I've got time for today. I was super happy to catch those smallmouth and the creek chub. I'll definitely be coming back to this spot, giving it some more time, finding some new areas where I can fish from. Remember to like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I'll catch you next time.